contract's actually moving though. Might as well trade it to get that build.
Well, alright. He called Tesla. He's calling low Tesla 265 puts. I'm going for the 262.5 because that's expensive. I want Tesla to kind of bounce and build up here, and then I'll re-enter
Tesla's
down.
up on right into 280 now though.
I don't want to
Thought a
enter
little
at
bit
the
of a
downside.
285, but still okay.
Very weak.
It might be on top of that line.
And then just need to hopefully get that ready.
Oh yeah, that's a win.
Go on.
It can stay wick. We'll come back up here. And this is the perfect enter.
I'm also loading the 1050 puts on Netflix. Right?
I'm definitely not going to be able to afford that because I'm already know that. I see a reject up here. Clear reject up there.
It's weakness coming in on an Apple. Well, I like that 202 level. Great bet.
I'm glad he's rejected earlier on the video too. Yep, rejected early. You see Tesla's trying to make his way back up. I don't think he's going to be able to do it. He's going to grab that liquidity at least though.
Hopefully get a little bounce here.
SPY is still holding demand.
Yeah.
Levels are holding on SPY.
282 is at, sorry, 562.
I'm going to quickly grab that in a second.
Give me a little pop.
That's where people's stops are at. Yep, Nvidia broke its resistance. But wick back down. Very weak. Alright, I'm going for puts for today. Next level is here. I could catch it up here. Get in one position, maybe. I kinda want SPY to fail though first. Because as long as SPY keeps going up, this has potential to, I mean, more than likely if SPY goes up, it's gonna at least fill this gap. That's the least it would do. But it keeps, that level is holding very strong. So I'm not gonna enter yet. But yeah, nah. What are we? 112. I could do 112 puts, yeah. 112 puts.
Guys, I got filled on Tesla. 320 average. I'm going to use 383 as top for this position. $1 risk, okay? Sorry, 283.
I honestly did not.
So that's going to be the risk for this.
I'm just using his stuff. I'm gonna keep this tight because I think, I'm pretty sure if it breaks up here, we're done.
I have the 265 puts at 320.
A little bit of money. They ain't caught the top actually. It's like that. Only thing is SPY.
Yeah, contract's barely moved up. I just don't want to touch it with earnings tomorrow.
Filling the gap. And it's wicking back down. Yeah, I think I'm going for Nvidia puts. It filled the gap, took that liquidity, and it's not going that way. But we'll see, actually. Alright, Tesla should be doing good. No. Big red candle. Oh, there's a lot of decay. Oh. Oh my gosh. And that only took me to $1. Yeah, I want to get out of these contracts if this is not gonna fall, cause it's not looking good. It's not moving. This is a crazy like candle and it didn't do anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. I'm like, bruh. Alright. It's probably gonna bounce this. I just take my money in a little bit. Set a close. Be ready. Finger on the trigger. It's already bouncing early.
Guys, I've taken a Trump here.
Oh shoot.
%.
Next candle, I'm out.
On price to 80. $382 282 stop. Okay. I want to see this 280 break. This is the level. Come on. Let me be done for the day.
I had a schedule for classes too. Oh my gosh. Life of a trader.
Yeah, I'm gonna load the Apple 200 puts.
Oh, there we go. That was a
More
perfect.
than 13% here. Come on. More. Give me more.
Just tapping that line. I wanted to.
282 says stop there.
One
Either it
at
goes or
the
it doesn't.
line.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah, honestly.
Hopefully it does. Come on.
Yeah.
Lose.
Let's see.
So I can break this to it. 562 is the breakdown level. Perfect timing on this.
I'm
This
out.
needs to go now.
I'm out. Cool,
Oh,
look
wow.
30.
I actually moved well too.
Cool at $30. Alright, time for the next trade. Cool at
30
30.
seconds will know.
That's a flip on Qs too. Back under 45.
Yeah.
Spot needs to lose 562 though, so that pre-market level.
Yeah, register.
My long trigger on the same area.
Only thing I care about is chemistry, so
It's very high after long
it's not even my password
on
anymore.
Friday. I covered it in the pre-market. Right? You guys go watch that video. Actually playing out exactly like that. There we go. Come on, Tesla. You're the only one. You're the good. Make sure you take runs, guys. Okay. Because we got into a breakdown, we can't like not that crazy, but still good results.
Oh, I'm 945.
Can't complain. Sub 17% now.
I could have stayed in then.
Oh,
Like I got
I've
registered.
taken more stuff. I actually had 5-day entry on that as well. So like this entry is 17%.
Cool Tesla move.
And I told you guys
I'm about to
trade
get
free
FOMO,
market.
so I'm
And I
gonna
told you on
take
Friday
Tesla's.
also.
Take Tesla's
I
chart
just
off.
keep holding with 282 stops. The lower it goes, the higher our return. That's it.
I'm coming off a loss, so I'm just gonna take it. Like
17% now.
I'm gonna take any wins
Just
I
keep
have.
holding.
So
Okay,
like
honest.
$30
There may be
wins.
liquidity traps and whatnot, but our entry is good. And make sure you take them.
I'm not gonna just keep letting it run. But I mean, if I did, I mean, it would have looked good. I mean, not. Oh nah. Actually, never mind. It don't look too good. I probably would have been 10 to 15 more dollars, which is, I mean, that's not really worth it. But yeah, we're just testing that line. I'm pretty sure it's gonna move up to the upside. But we are building downside. I'm pretty sure the sentiment. Look at the 4 hour. We broke yesterday. So now we gotta continue this, or we're just gonna move back down.
I actually like SPY long, as long as it's 562 holds now. We just whipped it. Let's see. Watching a few different things now. Q's flipping back and forth, right? Look at that 45 up and down today.
8 and 30 seconds.
First bond is usually the best. Guys, contract still green on runners. I'm holding Tesla runners as long as 282 holds.
Let's see.
Just go ahead. Come on.
Oh shoot, I gotta figure out what time do I want my chemistry. God, this is the most unprepared I've been for registration. Huh? 9:45. I got registration. Huh? 9:45. Oh my gosh. It didn't tell me. Oh my gosh. I can't register. It wasn't telling me my advising. She didn't take off my advising block. It didn't tell me. Yo, I'm thinking she took it off because it stops. Alright, bro. I gotta email her my thing. Oh my gosh. I had the. Oh my gosh. I don't care, bro. I might get a trash teacher. It don't matter. That's so stupid, bro. That's my fault, though.
Levels holding well. We just need to lose 280 now. We got the liquidity, long stuff. So we need to keep that break down.
What's my outpaying? That's my bad. I'm like, oh, I'm on the wrong email. She has access to the document though. Like, I don't like. Alright,
If you're living with HIV, imagine being good to go without daily HIV pills. Good to go binge watch. Good to go out even later. With Cabenuva, there's no pausing for daily HIV pills. For adults who are undetectable, Cabenuva is the only complete, long-acting HIV treatment you can get every other month. It's 2 injections from a healthcare provider, as few as 6 times a year. Don't take Cabenuva if allergic to its ingredients or taking certain medicines that may interact. Serious side effects include allergic reactions or rash, post-injection reactions, liver problems, and depression. These occur, get medical help right away. Tell your doctor about your medicines or supplements, medical conditions, liver or kidney problems, mental health, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. The most common side effect is injection site reaction. With Cabenuva, you're good to go without daily HIV pills. Talk to your doctor about switching.
Right now, spring deals are under $20 at the Home Depot. So no matter what you're working on, you can save big on all your spring projects. Now through May 7th,
Bro, I swear she has access to this. I won't be registering until later today. What the heck? Hopefully she gets back to me in an hour.
I think we look good alongside though. They're in spy. 562 is defending. Q's above 45. Let's see how this next candle is. Apple 202 worked nicely.
Didn't even retrace back into it at all.
Very nice candle, guys. Wow. New low update here.
Alright, the next green candle I see in the video, I'll get in. You got
Hold
a
on, just
Tesla
let
at
us
17%.
Fine, if
Then
you
you got
go
it at
562 with us, I
14,
think.
so he didn't do
We are in the right name.
Yeah, not too crazy.
There you go. Holy shit.
What are you looking at? Apple?
Wow. Oh my god.
I don't like Amazon. I think I'm too late.
Up 20% here, guys.
Yeah, way too late. They did good on that.
278 is that level. Watch this level on Tesla from Friday. So 278 is still there.
Oh, we have it.
So take terms.
We have a new
Now I'm
Tesla.
moving my stuff to 281. 262 on Spice Big. I just hope we lose it. 562.
If we lose it, we downtrend today. If we hold it, we uptrend. But I just want to get a clear picture. It may take 10 o'clock to find out what it's going. If this is now. Let's see.
Yeah, I just didn't want to miss the momentum.
Alright, I got it in the video because I kept
I
seeing
knew
the
this was one
reject.
of the.
You're seeing a lot of volume coming in now.
I seen that reject.
Be patient so far.
Hopefully all of you got this. I mean, you guys know my bias and everything from Friday. So yeah.
Yeah, our spy swings are nicely green here.
I'm at least looking for the liquidity down here. It might get taken out by this, but we'll see.
What I handle under 562. Still kind of holding.
I probably could have waited for an actual green candle. I just seen green enter. Wasn't being patient, but I mean, it's It's working out a little bit.
Excuse me. You know, I'm just gonna go left. Do you know what left is?
Right, Mike, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kind of blames you guys for the breakup. Why? Because I told her it was your fault. Look, I'm not any
Come on, 278.
very imaginative. Doo-doo butt. Doo-doo, doo-doo butt. Doo-doo butt.
Some of them held Tesla short over the weekend.
Dude, yeah. I mean, that's not a bad idea, to be honest, but yeah, it's just.
Under 280, I had that on my watch list as well. Under 280 now, it's 270s. Hopefully it builds for you.
Left entries was at the highest, like,
Yeah.
just had to, like, do it. But at the open, it was kind of hard to signal that. I mean, I had my bias, but I was prepared to keep adding. Because it's a Monday, right?
Right.
It's still on 20% here. 278 needs to go down, guys.
Look at that. Whipsaw on SPY here. Again, another 562 maintenance here.
You notice data.
If SPY
Block it.
fails, we fail. I mean, if SPY fails and the video fails. I just need SPY to drop. When SPY drops, man, we're free falling.
And the ugly truth has always been
But I'm not that great a guy, and you're exactly like me.
There's potential to bounce up.
Worse, you're smart. When you know nothing matters, the universe is
Break of that line is.
The universe is basically an animal. Grazes on the ordinary. Creates infinite idiots just to eat them. Not unlike your friend Timmy. Yeah, hardly matters now, sweetie. You know, smart people get a chance to climb on top and take reality. You'll never stop trying to
Okay, SPY is
Yeah,
bouncing.
there are some betas that are ripping. Some betas that are selling.
Sounds fine.
so.
My advice, take off. Put a saddle on your universe.
SPY is bouncing. The video bounced.
Kids, Jerry, my job.
I think I'm, yeah, $2.
Photo of you. A perfect instance of you with all your memories, an exact copy in every way.
11:48.
Job and consume broadcast network reality TV on the same allegedly ironic level as you. You can be gone a day, a week, or the rest of your life with zero consequences. The moment you decide to come back and flip a switch,
Oh.
the clone's job is done. It feels no pain, regrets nothing, and has zero chance of going Blade Runner.
Alright, that looks pretty good to me.
If nothing matters, why would you do that for me?
Yeah, I think.
Now the moment I want to go long on SPY. Now this
think
trade
I'll be
looks
out.
good.
I told him that I think should do that. The only thing that's like kind of inventing Tesla from trading.
I think I'll
Um,
be.
The issue is I want to go
Yeah.
long now on SPY, but we have big beta in 4 minutes.
Finally know you've chosen.
This is the first time SPY actually looks good today.
You choose, you're finally gonna chill.
There's like a few divergent names. There's weakness for his. Is a nice name to be in.
Okay. I know
I'm just watching Tesla. Tesla is the main. I got a little bit of an open. That's for it. Apple Safety.
SPY's holding. You do have some betas that are strong. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is strong and AMD is strong today. AMD also bought back the entire downside move.
Microsoft, Netflix kind of retained whole thing.
so that we can be together. You need to
Held at 10 times.
for Dad properly.
Yeah, he pulls it back. You can't break below. Yeah. I'm out.
One of these moves will be fairer, so either the short or the long. They will wait and see.
Yeah, it was SPY moving out. Let's get out. No point in staying in. Cut the losses short. I don't always re-enter.
I think long side wins, but it's just my 2 cents. I think just a lot of hold here, 562, and
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, Tesla, obviously, you're in a diverging name, so you're fine.
Spy's filling this gap.
sure.
For sure.
I'm fine. I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
I'm more than fine.
Yeah.
But I think this 563.76 level pre-market pivot area. This candle, if it rejects there and next candle they flip red, the whole candle is engulfs. Again, just following what I'm saying. Market sells hard. This could be a false break candle.
Could be.
Not a lot of volume there.
Yeah, I need Spy to come down a little bit.
Hey guys, what's for dinner? That was dinner as usual. Can we have pizza? Pizza sounds great.
Hey Rick, did you know my dad was dating an alien? No.
Yeah, you can't long this into the data though. That's my 2 cents too. I want to just that's kind of annoying. It triggered as soon as form right until data. So
We didn't get a single candle close under that price, so it's valid, long.
yeah, it is. But I want to see how this 10 o'clock data is first before anything. If I can get some sort of pullback long in a 562.50, that's where I'd be looking for holds to step in now. Look at Netflix, it's kind of interesting how it bought back that entire move. Almost the entire gap down has been bought up just a few points
They
away.
opened above that 1010. That the 1010 they needed to hold that. Like the fact that they did that, they just sell to sell burn. So for the next short trade idea on this, we need to lose that 1010. If it does, I'll go short.
Yeah.
Just ignore him.
Nice candle still on Tesla. Pulling still, guys. 281 run. No stops to me.
Be careful, guys. 5 seconds till. What do we have? What is something? What's in the back right now?
Yep. No, that's
Oh,
data.
ISM.
Yeah. Okay, little popper. I said 10 o'clock.
Is it done?
Some IBD candle contract. So sitting at break even here, guys. On these runners. 281 will be my stop. Okay?
Okay, I ain't staying shorts.
We entered at 282.
Oh,
So there is a lot of IBD at the open fund.
Yeah, the market's gonna flip. So upside. It's strong conviction.
That's why Instagram supports legislation requiring personal parental approval and age verification for teens under 16.
At Apartments.com, we go above and beyond to make renting easier on every single level. Neighborhood level, unit level, down to the cellular level. Hey guy,
Alright, I might get out.
the place.
Yeah, there's a rip here in SPY. But we do have supply above us now, 566. That was still 2 hours away. I'd watch to see now if we can hold 563 as the new level.
It'll put me in.
Sometimes patience doesn't pay. Damn, look at that. That's just a crazy rip.
Yeah.
It'll put me in if it comes back down. And if it don't, I just don't have to trade.
Somebody gave me gum disease, and I lost all my teeth. Here's my tip. You might think pudding feels like pulling teeth.
Okay, that candle high is going to be my top pick on Tesla runner. Still holding?
Did you know it's possible to have a heart attack at age 36? I didn't. Here's a tip. If you smoke, it's totally possible. That's what happened to me.
You can quit. For free help, text quit now to 333-888.
Choose Advil Liquid Gels for faster, stronger, and longer-lasting relief than Tylenol Rapid.
You guys can define risk accordingly. If you want to add, you can. We'll do whatever you want. That 281, whatever the high candle high is, that will be my red stock. 282, 281.
Just waiting for him to say those 3 little words.
I'm happy with it. Honestly, I didn't expect a lot at the open, but they did more than what I wanted them to do.
She's done.
money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Oh, these are 1 days. Oh shoot. Alright, then I gotta take out it as soon as possible. Alright, since it's 1 day, I'm out right here. Or a little under that. I'm out a little under that. I forgot spy. You gotta actually go with 0. You gotta pick a day. Shoot.
Rick, no level at 564. At 565, 566 is no level on spy. I see 564. Really see 565 is the next level.
Playing this gap. If I'm right, I mean I think I entered too early, but if I'm right, it will just fill the gap for today.
I actually do agree with you, Ascension. This does look a little trappy now.
You can kind of see, super land that's the thing. 280 there, like, what is that? The big piece that they put a lipstick on it, right? They're doing that right now. I'm not gonna say anything because they'll get mad if I say. So scalp word is over everything.
I'll say 263.10.
To me, it does not look so good.
Still in this case, like I said, you can do whatever you want. 282 this, right? So if you wanna add, you can. Just define risk. If you're, like, if you know what you're doing, you can.
Under
I'm just holding this
263.
current runoff because I have 2 sets of cons. One con is still up very green, and then the other
Dang.
putting a break even. Yeah. The one that I signaled.
It's that candle.
Oh my gosh.
But it's pretty tight here. Either it goes or it doesn't. Simple as that. These runners.
It was only like that because
Market has to flip here. If it does.
0 days. I should have did 1 day. I'm not that re-enter actually. How does it say? Yeah, don't do 0 days. This is better. Yeah, I'm not getting it. How much money do I got? Lost 13.
The risk to height is about 3-4% here, guys. That's 281, 70 or whatever that thing is. Okay. So that's the risk on runners or close to break even on runners. Yeah. There is a little bit of PK since we entered because IV has dropped, but this fund is still holding. So risk to runners, you guys know what it is. There you go. Alright.
It went.
Now, if we lose 562, that could be a really good short trigger today.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, put some moving really well. I actually satisfied. I think that is. They're moving well.
Is it not gonna fight at all?
We just need this to break. If we break 562, I think Tesla break close and get into
Is it not gonna fight
We
at
just
all?
need to see if they want to do it now or wait until the hour mark.
I was about to say, what?
Manage your position, guys. Tesla got 20% already. Almost green again. Risk is 4%, maybe 3 or 4%. $20-30 a month.
There we go. I'm like, bruh, come on.
Wow. scam the flip wasn't there.
What the hell?
Yeah, there we
I
go.
don't know what
Wait.
Tesla. Tesla's still weak stuff. I'm ready. Tesla's
Oh,
still
it
under
should have been
680.
better.
Keep going.
I mean, nah. Looking back at it, this was a
No.
terrible entry.
Yeah, big time.
Why would I get in on the red right here? I should have let it drop to this line. It's all about
That was
patience.
the 560 to 50 entry from Friday.
Long short, long short, long short.
Long.
We're in a
But
fair,
Tesla still
we're in
doing
this
great
fair
things. Tesla
value
and
gap
Apple are
right
doing the
here.
opposite of the market. Nvidia's running the 5 looks like. Yes.
It's probably just,
No,
it's probably just
564 base
working
is
off
bullish.
that fair
Yeah.
value gap level.
Today we celebrate our independence from brick and mortar.
563, 780. Okay, I mean Tesla's going so.
We gotta end as a strong candle. So we can buy out. Stay like that. It gotta stay like that. Oh yeah, we're done. We're good. Let's go and test. Let's go and test that top. Uh, 16.
263, 70 right here on SPY. 273, 80. 56. I keep saying 260. 563, 80.
263.70 is that the level you just called? There's no way this. They're starting a downside. They're starting to trend downside. I mean, market didn't find its grounding yet. So, I mean, it makes sense if it starts to trend downside, but
So we can, oh my god, if they flip this candle under, it's probably going to be super nice for us on Tesla. Let's see.
that NVIDIA put was messy, but
Stop.
it would have worked.
Where's the trend? Come on.
Yeah, all the way down here. Yeah.
Gotta push one way with conviction.
Looking for the bounce off this. If it breaks
White
this,
candle
I might just be
right
out.
off for that 563, 80 level that I mentioned. Tesla's on the 580 now.
Super slow bounce. I mean, nonetheless, it's a bounce. I'll stay in until under 562.50. I think it's max at
What the hell's going on
$17
here?
loss.
Just let me get a clear read on something.
Definitely don't want to go downside.
Moving my stop again on Tesla to 281 now.
I think I should just go long.
So it has to go right now. So if there's another 280 to them, I'm like, let's go, let's go. Let's still go, let's go, let's go. Has to go now. Just has to right now. No other holds, no nothing, no bullshit. So build up the liquidity, they just gotta take it out now. You can't do the claims.
I need to stop waffling around here.
I think he's gonna flip.
I think if it holds 563, it's bullish though now. Again. I'm looking.
Yeah, it's just a level.
Let's see.
What's in the grain of the dip, so just there's not a lot of things.
The only issue now is if you have Nvidia selling.
The fact that you're saying that the level is holding, right? Like, that's actually a dangerous sign. Unless they have to push it quickly. If they don't, like, you know, they keep painting, inviting more people in.
Yeah, they're gonna take out 564 again.
They just gotta, if they're going to do bullish, they gotta just do it.
I just loaded my 1DDE SPY calls, the 564 SPY calls. Let's get them loaded.
Nice candle on the flag, guys. Looks like we're gonna break a new low take here. We're on the right flag, guys. Moving my stop again to 280.50 now. 280.50 more cents. That's another 20% by the way. See, when I said you guys want to add, you can. So just quickly put it like 3 or 4%.
If I do take this straight, I'm just going to use that 563 as risk. That's my intention here. I'll let you guys know. Nvidia is selling though. Look at this Nvidia chart. Strongest name now turning into going back to that level. I mean, 113 still holding though, so.
Not strong though.
Every beta is ticking red.
Not strong. Like just because it's green, you know, they're just like painting. Apple is the biggest fan. You had the Apple, right, Mike?
Yeah, the 202.
That's crazy. No one then like I don't know how the contract moved. They probably moved well better than I did.
They moved really well. It just didn't really give a pullback entry for the chat.
Alright, let's see if we can push here. 5 candles, wick of that 563.80 guys on
Just really
five.
trading
We need
sideways.
to lose 562 and Tesla probably lose loss. I'm gonna move my stop to 280 now. 280.3, something like that. There's I'm gonna be that 80 in the area. 30 seconds to candle close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, dump.
The market won't pick a side, bro. Now it's looking like it's picking downside, but it still got fade.
Right? So we
Much
like
of
this
it,
278 now on Tesla.
$5.
It's picking up here. Wow. Holy shit. Back up 20% here, guys. Even without ads or anything. So. But if you did, that's another it's almost 30% actually. 278 is the line in the sand. I still holding?
Alright, guys, I just got filled on SPY at 2.57. My stop loss is going to be under 563. Stop loss, just basically just risking that candle low to stop. No ads, just my intended size here. I want to see if SPY can hold 563. If it can, it's bullish. It's my average is right now at 2.57.
It's 678 here on Tesla. Line in the sand. I'm hoping we get some volatility on the front. That's a good play. $280 is my new stop now. So just keep moving my stop as the stock keeps going in our favor. 278 breaks, I'll move to 279. So right now just holding this position.
It's 7%. I'm not taking trims though. I just want to see us clear out these highs first. 563.80. $9%. Needs to push out these highs first.
You could get it, but
Think so. Okay. Alright, guys, I just took some trims at 10%, 11% here in spot, just to cover my risk. 11% on first trim. Stop loss now simply going to be the same as it was before, not changing that. But we're a high day here, so let's not be animals. My best entry on spy would have been earlier, but I just wanted to get in. I didn't want to just sit here all day and just talk about longs that I didn't take, so. Stop loss now simply under. You know what I'll do? I'll make it tight. I'll do 563.30 as stop loss.
Bruce Tony is gonna push it today. Let's see. Hanging on by itself. About a minute is not kind of work.
Better you in zeros because no, I'm on zeros on Mondays.
Are you in zero?
Oh my god. No, I'm in Mondays. No, I'm in Mondays. Oh, we're good. Sorry, I thought I made a mistake.
30.
I'm
Oh,
in
it's not bad though. 50, 60, 50% more and
13%, 14% now. Yeah, they're moving well. I saw them moving well. That's why I went for these. Dude, if I got in 0 days after dogging 0 days all weekend, that would,
yeah, like,
that would be such a joke. I would like
so,
13% here in spy, guys. My stop is going to be 563.40. Just a risk. That was just a risk reward trade. You're risking 30 cents for $1.
couple of the scouts guys. If you guys start in green the week.
Guys, the 1 days did move like that. Right now they're trading at 2.82. We're 2.57 or 2.56 average. It just depends what you're getting filled at, right?
Yeah, they're holding that to Sunny. Damn it. That is just the way the exchange upside.
There's no way it's not going to continue
Maybe
up.
to Sunny, they'll give it later in the day.
I don't believe it.
We'll see.
I
Just don't want to see an ATM American.
Wow.
If they build all of this, and if they don't do a breakdown, it's mindless. They just have to flip
Wow,
right
it's
now.
really not
It's a
going to
now
continue
trade,
up.
it's not like a buy and hold today. It just needs to happen now. We're still green on these funds. Just letting you guys know. They have to flip this now. The whole market does. Otherwise it's not gonna go. The plus weak, but it has to get cooperation from other than market.
563.50 is my hard stop on runners. Just letting you guys know. I sold about half my trade already. I'm not value holding here, guys. We're just trading trend. So if the trend is going to keep going, it has to hold here.
Yeah, he's right.
Come on.
I'm back to still green here, about 4% here. This has to hold though. If it doesn't hold, I sell. 560.
Yeah, you must have got in the same area.
It can still form a wick here, so let's just be patient. Betas are holding. Nvidia's back at that hold spot. 113 still support on Nvidia. Apple is basing off that support at 200 as well. Sure, or not really. It's actually under 200, but if it reclaims 200, it should be good. That's actually a problem here on Apple. Apple has to get about 200. Netflix strong.
What?
It's only a back on play here.
I think I'm just gonna
Doing
get
what I
out.
wanted to. That's what it has to happen now.
Yeah,
That's
that's
what
it.
274.
That's
It
it.
has to happen now. Wow, perfect, nice.
563.30.
I let this candle
I sold my
close
position on
first.
SPY at break even. At 2.53, I sold my position.
I'll let this candle close first. If it closes under,
Keeping my trade entirely green. I don't want to give back a single dollar. Or actually, I gave back $2, but I'm actually surprised we're selling right now, to be honest, because
This
Like
literally
64.
doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
funny.
like I said, the grain is not long bad. So right now they're showing stuff, but it's not.
but you guys, I don't want to hear people saying they flipped from green to red. We were up some pennies, but it's
If
still
you follow the red, follow the entire place.
Cool
right?
going
Including
red.
wings,
I just
top,
want
everything.
to. I just want to see
Don't do
this
your
out.
own. Don't add your own.
Well,
twist.
I do want to say this: if you are holding, you must at least use 563 as a stop loss. That's like the
Yeah.
only, like, at least have a reason to hold. That's the level I have under 563.50, which is where we are
Yeah,
now,
right
is
here.
563. And we're trying to do, yeah.
Still hovering under 220. Like you just need to go. I
563
think
is
just
the
waiting.
stop.
Like this kind of looks red. And next time we'll get it.
Did I sell? I did sell. Pretty good. Yeah. I would rather make like a few $100 than catch nothing. So I just wanted to
100.
keep that in mind. Like I didn't want it to. The long was good off the open. I should have long before data.
As long as we make money, it's valid trade. Make money is different risk, valid trade. Doesn't matter what long shot.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be like it's a good trade.
Let's see how he responds to 563 now. This is the problem area though here, 563. I do agree with you. If we actually get under this level, I think we flip to a bear bias.
Yeah. The thing is like the candle levels wise we held, right? But I can like I'm saying, right, they're like it's like the big, that's why I use that reference. It's like that. There's no, if they're gonna go, they had to just violently push above that 565. I talked about it in my live also. But if they're like dilly dallying and not doing much, it's not gonna work. Take turns, guys. I'm fighting guys, Darren. Wow. Nice. Not quite sorry, huh? Up 24%. Now I'm moving my stop to 279. That candle flips that. Again, this has to keep going. If it does, we get that one. No more pullback, no nothing. The broke 273, 278 finally. So it needs to go now.
Do you see that 563 is still maintaining? You like that the pig with makeup reference, right, Ref?
Yeah, it's all like traffic. Like you can get caught both sides. That's why I like this honestly. So there goes. Oh my God.
Mike, look at Apple. Shit.
Yeah.
Apple is the right read. Apple is the right read also. Sell on Apple very good. Nvidia flipped over there. We could have started at 114. Wow.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's still that 563.
Should have
It's the
stayed.
pig with makeup. I don't know.
I mean, go for it, dude. If you have like a
No. I don't really. I like when I get into a level like that. I want the first tap of the level, not the. I don't want to be like. I don't want to be playing around in the touches at the same level, multiple touches. Like I was saying before, though, I think the best long was actually that 950 candle. I mean, obviously, it's easy to say that in hindsight, but 950 was the best long, the second
guys,
best
I'm
long.
taking my second trim here close to 30% on these 265s. Okay. Now I'm gonna just use 278 as sales stop. I'm gonna be aggressive with stop. I just don't see these contracts moving a lot, and that's a sign for me. It has to stay under 278, and it has to flip here for me to for these contracts to explode. Or else they're gonna get like mess with that and pop it up again.
But you're in just an outperforming name or underperforming name, so
Oh, for sure. Like
yeah.
that's the only thing I wanted to trade for that Tesla, right? From Friday, like. Come on, there it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. That's okay. Okay, it's more than little. That's why I'm like, okay, it's $100 a ton now, guys. 32%. I hope you guys got the conviction and idea. Like from Friday, I've been saying, and pre-market also, I kind of told you guys same thing I'm gonna do.
Tesla's going straight for it.
Ooh, it's going to 275.
I have for some reason, I have 270. Yeah, 274. 73.
35% here, guys. Now, 278 will stop. So, green exit. I think you guys can manage on your own. Unless you guys want to keep telling me percentages. So, manage on your own, 35%, because good entries, I gave you guys confidence to re-enter also. Yep,
Battle.
that was another good name. Apple was nice.
I'm clearly
Tesla.
losing.
I kind of like Nvidia also, to be honest. I think that 112 is going to be a death drop on Nvidia, but I'm fairly aware that it could, until then they could chop it.
I mean, contracts are
What's going on with Apple? Why
really in
Apple
my
usually doesn't
favor.
go into these trend down days unless there's news. Was there news on Apple?
Shit.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
I'm still holding though, even with apples.
Come on, this is so. I knew they'll do this game shit on Spyder. Like, why did I know that? Like, until the range like actually dead, it's gonna be like shit.
Apple is a pig with a BBL now.
Hey, bro. What is he
40%
talking?
now, guys.
Still maintaining though. 563 still holding.
It really hasn't picked a direction yet, but
I
it's
think we had the right reads though across the board.
trending down
We are
to.
doing so well. Considering it's an F1 series and considering Spice, if it's the right names, we had the right ideas. Also, Apple Chart, Spice, Tesla. We're doing well. Keeping it
Greasy
aside.
Dick's is one of the best places to get a hot dog. Formerly known as Richard's Drive-In, it's located in Easton.
Small was all out guys at 40% on Tesla, so like just want to use that from a fail note and banning. I still holding, so we just need to flip it. Like I said, it's just a matter of they have to do it now. The longer they hold, the more dangerous it is. They just have to do it now.
This little disclaimer I was gonna say. Bro, guys, y'all do whatever y'all want at the end of the day, but I'm gonna tell you from a real person perspective.
Oh wow. New lows, Tesla. This 75 almost. All of this is happening before SPY even breaks. On Tesla. Don't 4% on the day.
It's gonna be an interesting FOMC week though.
For sure. I'm not even on Friday. Like, just gonna make a little 10%. Then.
Oh, I'm doing next week cons and I'm getting 10%. I'm leaving. That's so I'm never again, dude.
Wait, you did next week cons on an FOMC?
No. I'm saying like on Friday session.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just like pointless too. Like I feel like lately Fridays have been like such a you can scalp some, but like oh my god, what fuck. But like it's just been difficult. 44% here, guys.
That's crazy. It's selling and SPY still at high day.
I said this Friday, like Tesla is going to be a massive liquidity drop, and I hope SPY sells more. Tesla could really capitulate it to 70 if that happens. 273 is the next level I have under this 275.
It has no idea what it wants to do. It looks like a wedge, honestly.
45% here.
It's wedging.
Come on, but you're not long, right?
No, not at all.
I don't want to stay in there.
Alright.
I do agree with you though. I think 563 is that pivot. It just has to flip under now.
It's bi-directional now
wedging.
though. Like my sentiment on SPY is now a little bit
Rising
in the middle,
red.
because despite all these stuff, SPY still holding. So that's what bullish sign for me unless they flip it right now. They have to do it now. No more holding, no more.
That's why like, it was. It's like my bias there was a little more long. And that's what it's
That
also
means
important for you guys too. Like,
probably
if you
gonna
guys are
go to
trading
the
something
downside.
and we're bullish on something, you can be bearish on something else. Like Rap can be bearish on Tesla, and I can be bullish on SPY.
That's the thing, though. Like people don't understand.
We're looking for
We
that.
don't take none of this stuff personally. It's
That's
you
it.
can make money both
Actually,
sides. Like
I might keep
it
that.
doesn't matter. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Look at Tesla. He
Oh,
can't, he
oh
can't
my
even
God.
get the whole sentence out because Tesla keeps pushing new lows.
Crazy move on Tesla.
Oh my god, dude.
I'll keep
55%
those there.
guys. Guys, I'm down my last. Like I only am holding like 5 contracts now. Holy shit.
A break of this trend line.
There it is.
There it goes. Fuck yeah, man. I'm breaking fire.
Let's
Nope.
see.
It's still looking.
I'm done. I'm out of this fight. Like I can't hold anymore. Like fuck this shit, man. Like I'm done. I'm done. 55% guys. Okay. 274 and then 273. No, this is we still haven't had a pullback on this last one. It could be
Yep.
some liquidity. Unless it's
It's looking like we're going to the downside.
particular.
Go after this candle. Yeah, that's done.
Wow. Look at that. What a dance.
Let's see. It's that 63 level. It's testing it. Now it's either about to disrespect this level.
Yeah, I'm happy I just took my scalp and left.
No,
You need to be ready, honestly.
If I was long right now, I would still be holding, but I would be sweating.
Yeah, nah, I
That's the
am.
problem. See that's the issue.
We were that right up. Oh my god. Wow. That whole.
I need to make sure I'm
I could look for
closing.
one more trade, Pickles. If I were, I would just be long. That's the issue. I'd be long, but it's
It's fighting to
sweaty
get
trade.
back inside the wedge.
I'd just be long SPY, long Qs, right? It's just sweaty though.
And if it fails to get inside the
Because
wedge,
at
it's gonna
563,
fall.
it's been tapped so many times. So I'm just gonna sit it out. I'll watch and see what happens. Yeah,
It's
I had
failing
enough-
to get back in the wedge.
Michael's exactly right. I just wanted to have it cleared. That's why I today
I'm
just
out.
took my little cash flow. And I'll run to the
It failed to get back in the wedge.
run away.
It's not going.
Friday I was trading all day.
Oh, that is a Tesla that took me up too. Yeah, about 500 on that.
That's it for today.
But yeah, let's just say I made more than
Lost
20 times
15.
that today.
Again, look at another hole here in spot.
Fuck Spider. Twice like that. That
Oh, maybe it just stopped me out.
The fight with the girl. Like, are you mad at me? Like just like that. Like, oh my god, just go. I've been awake since 6 because I had to prepare for the pre-merge. It's been up. I don't know how you do it, Fred, every day. That's crazy.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning.
Oh, you're in Eastern time.
Yeah, so it's 7 for you. Or no.
No, I'm an hour early.
Yeah. I do it every morning though. I love it.
Yeah, that was so early.
Oh, that's beautiful. What the heck?
It is.
Maybe they're gonna flip it higher and then through
Took out
more
the
people.
liquidity
I think they will. I think they will.
on my level.
The longer it was, better I'm clearing it.
Yeah.
But would that make me go long this? Absolutely not. Because I don't see the convincingness yet, but that's exactly how they get short pieces.
Like they said, I feel like Mike getting called trade in 5 days. Mike, I took one trade the same as you on Friday session, and they said all I do is copy Mike.
I mean, I signaled 7 trades last week, but I'm just tired, guys. I'm really jet lagged. I literally I'm looking at my monitor and
He's falling asleep.
my head is spinning.
He just traveled to. You're in Greece. He's in Greece now.
Yeah.
Still catching green trades, guys. Why do you guys catch so much? You're making money. 5 was 10% plus, Tesla is 50% price. What's the like? Just take the trend. Same thing.
Look at the 563 again, Raph. You see this?
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you guys though. Like if that was your next trade was that long 563, but I mean you're risking pulmonary embolism.
Because it's like, that's the thing though. You need to have like conviction, like to be like, oh, that is what I'm gonna do. Like,
Yeah.
it's just like that's the kind of trade where it's kind of hard because it's fight like up and down, green, red, green.
Oh my god.
Yep, that is exactly what I was calling.
Man, I'm
And
not
I
on
got
that.
stopped out.
That's it, huh?
That was another
Hey,
big
man.
roll of that 563.
At least I respected my levels. Because it honestly could have just came down here and just thrashed it. But,
I'm gonna hold that in a 277. Guys, I only have 5 contracts. I'm just
Oh,
gonna
but-
do the trading manager and
but it's probably going to fill this
But,
gap.
from
But
a
yeah.
trade idea perspective, Tesla bad as long as 278 holds. 278 is the breakdown
Tesla-
level from the watch.
Tesla could have held.
I don't know if I put the watch here, but
Could have held. I just took the $30. Nvidia could have held.
But the
If I would have
thing
held,
is,
I
like,
would have. And then
we trade
also,
every day. We don't really take many vacations, so like it's
I gotta
it's
pay
good-
attention
it's
to
okay
what
if
day,
one of us
like
just
the
do
DTE
for
I'm
2
trading
days.
on, because
If we're traveling, we should just be able to
I shouldn't have lost $30 off
watch the
SPY.
market. We don't have to be, forcing trades
Max
every
I
day.
would have lost is 13.
Like,
So, and
you
I
want
was
to
almost about to
green
lose
handle
50,
now?
but
That's what I was about to say.
just a
Yeah,
couple
you guys-
things I gotta touch up
you
with
guys
my
are just
trading.
hilarious.
And I mean, today would have been a green day,
Yeah, there's-
easily, but
No one's getting
it is what it is.
$1 range move. Like,
only
250
lost
to
15,
264
which
not
is,
really
I mean,
moving.
really nothing.
Sorry, 563.
With how these contracts
It needs to
move.
break 565 and rest and get more squeeze. People the squeeze.
Here's the thing, right? The issue
I
right
see
now
it.
is you have a lot of those weak names that